Hi, I'm Cindy Schwall. I'm a real estate broker in Scarsdale, New York, and today I'm at my newest listing at 165 Brewster Road in Scarsdale. This home has a beautiful renovated kitchen. All the bathrooms have been done. It has 5 bedrooms, 3 full and 2 half baths, and it's over 3,400 square feet of living space. The backyard is level. There's a beautiful bluestone terrace. It's located in Green Acres. You can walk to the elementary school and the train. Come on, let's take a look.